Hey guys, welcome to this vlog style video. I've got a match this weekend and it's at a venue that I'm not really that in touch with. So I thought, why not do a video showing how I prep for matches in this kind of situation? So let's get cracking. So the first thing I look to do is do a bit of research on the venue. I normally do this by looking through people's blogs and seeing what's worked more recently. I try and find the most recent blogs as I can. I also look to check the fishery rules too, so I have an understanding of what's allowed and what's not before making any sort of a plan. If I'm lucky enough, I might get a phone number of someone who's a local, so I'll drop them a text to get some more info. Research, and now it's bait time. And because I've done the research, I know roughly what baits I'm going to need, so I want to get them all together and all ready to go. So the fishery doesn't have a rule on fishery owned pellets, so I'm going to go with my ever faithful Dynamite carp pellets in a 2 and a 4 mil size. I've decided I'm going to take some ground bait with me, so I'm taking a bag of Swimston Green and a bag of F1 Sweet Cool Water. This adds a little bit of sweetness to my mix, and the green Swimston has a high fish meal content, plus it served me very well in the past. I'm also throwing in a bag of Swimston Black just in case. I'm taking a tin of corn for a change of hook bait and as feed down the edge to pick out the bigger fish. I'm also taking my F1 Sweet Pellet Soak if I feel the normal pellets aren't working and I need some attraction. I'm also going to chuck in some 4 and 6 mil durable hookers. Next up is rig prep. I've got an idea of lake stocking and what size of fish I'm after, as well as depths. I know I've got some rigs already tied up that I can use, but I do need a couple more doing just for some spares. I always put on a TV show on Netflix or a YouTube video whilst I'm doing this part of the prep, just to make it that little bit more entertaining. Now I'm picking up my live bait, and in this case I want some red and white maggots. Now I'm outside checking my gear. I'm going through my EVA bag to make sure I've got everything, such as hook lengths, my attachments and any other bits that I may need. I'm also checking my feeder cases. I'm checking I've got the right feeders and spares, as well as my wash to hook baits. I'm checking my rig tray and my box to make sure I've got all the rigs I need and I have enough in case they snap off. Now I'm making sure I have enough bait boxes in my bait bag, as well as double checking I have all the bait that I need. I'll also check I have the right rollers and my waterproofs and that I've got extra bait tubs in my trolley. Now I'm making sure I've got the right rods with me and that they're all set up for what I need. I'm making sure I have the right top kits and all my pole sections. And finally, I'm making sure I have enough landing nets and keep nets with me. Okay, final steps. Got my rod license, got my money, and away I go.